Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a calendar in Airtable. All right, first up, go ahead and log into your Airtable account. And if you have the app, go ahead and launch it. All right. And if you don't know how to download the app, I have a separate video for that. All right, just go ahead and look it up on the channel. Now in here, just go ahead and go to your workspace. All right, now click on a project. Okay, once that's done, go to the left panel and you'll be able to see calendar. All right, just click on it. If you want to, you can go ahead and rename your calendar, or anyone that has access to this particular project can edit your calendar. Go ahead and select collaborative. All right. If not, if you're going to make your own calendar, just go ahead and click on personal and hit on create new view. Okay. Once that's done, in here, as you can see, it is currently using the date field, which is deadline. And when you click on grid view, you'll be able to see a deadline. All right. If you want to add additional fields like start date, for example, create a new field right here, or data field like that, start date. And the date format, click on the drop down and you have the formats right here. Okay. I'm just going to keep it as is. If you want to include time, go ahead and use the slider and the time zone. Okay. Once that's done, I'm going to hit on create field. Now, as you can see here, this one, the deadline is labeled deadline and the start date is labeled start date. You can just go ahead and type anything right here or rename it. All right. Once that's done, just hit on the done button, close it. Now go ahead and go back to grid view right here. And as you can see, we now have the deadline and the start date. Just go ahead and move it like that. And go ahead and put the start date, for example, right here, the Great Adventure. I'm going to double click on it. And for example, the start date would be today. All right. May 10. And it would end on June 10. Okay. I'm just going to go back to my calendar right here. And as you can see, start date, the Great Adventure, and the end date would be June, right? Month, make sure that it is on month. June 10 right here. June 10 is the deadline. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.